Hello everybody, our topic for today is about how to create a Gcash account even if you are not a Globe or TM user. So first go to your Gcash app and enter your number. So we will try even if you're not a Globe or TM user. Just enter your number. After you enter your mobile number, it's automatic that they will send the authentication code rather. Then enter the OTP code to the spaces provided. Next, you have to fill up all the information that needed to your registration. Then click next afterwards. Next stage is review your information. You have to check your spelling and important dates that you've answered before from the registration. Third stage is set your mobile PIN, which is it serves as your password. So every time you open your Gcash account, you have to enter your MPIN, mobile PIN. When you're all set, just click submit and wait to process it. Then congrats! So next we have to check, so click the proceed to login. So tap to continue, or you can just press skip. Then you can read also their short tutorials. All set, so let's go to profile. And here they are. I have a Gcash account, not using my Globe or TM mobile number. So have a try, guys. So grab the opportunity while it's free.